and welcome to today's video. We are unboxing our Eyescream Beauty Box for May 2021. This is a very makeup heavy subscription box. I've told you all in the past, if you are looking for pretty much nothing but all things makeup, then this is going to be the subscription box for you. We'll get into more information a little bit later in the video, but if you are new here, hey, hello and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox makeup, subscription boxes, talk about makeup, play in makeup, do all things makeup, beauty, skincare, hair care, whatever it may be. And remember, it's not that serious. So wash this off. We keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. About the Eyescream Beauty Box. This is a monthly subscription. It is $24 a month. Now, if you do pay in advance for multiple months, it does, you know, get a little bit more inexpensive. So when we open it up, we do see a little postcard on here. It does give you all the information as far as that goes on everything that's in the box, retail value. And I'm super excited because when it comes to Eyescream Beauty Box, no matter what, every single month you are going to receive a palette in this box, eyeshadow palette. So the first item that I do see here is the Shades of Roses palette by B. Bella Cosmetics. Now, I've actually been fortunate enough to play with this palette in the past from another subscription box. It does have a retail value of $12. I was surprised that it's only $12 for this palette. This palette, y'all, is absolutely beautiful. I want to say this was something that I received back in like February with a different subscription box, and I fell in love with the look. If I can find the look that I created with this palette, I will try and like side clip it or something. I do know that I do have a look over on Instagram with this palette. Y'all, the formula, super beautiful, easy to work with, builds up wonderfully, blends out super easily. I was gonna swatch it, but I want to go ahead and just put this in a giveaway because I have mine opened over on my shelf, and I have to tell you all, the shimmers were gorgeous, the mattes were fabulous. Like, everything about this palette, you need this in your life. And that coming from a girl who loves a lot of neutrals, this was gorgeous. So it does have a mirror in here, and I will tell y'all, the mirror is a good mirror. It's not like one of those funhouse mirrors. It is in like your standard type of cardboard packaging as far as that goes. It is a cruelty-free brand, 24-month shelf life on this palette, and again, absolutely beautiful. You will create amazing looks, and I guarantee you, you're going to be really surprised that this palette's only $12. Next item I am seeing in here is the Lotus Love. It is again by B. Bella, so I am super excited to try this out. I did just check the website. This particular box is still available. How beautiful is just look at that, the artwork of this palette. Still in the standard type of cardboard packaging. Very nice artwork and everything on here. Okay, so this is a choice item in this particular box. So if you did not pick or choose or receive the Shades of Roses by B. Bella palette, you will be seeing the Lotus Love palette by B. Bella Cosmetics. Again, $12 price tag on here, which always blows my mind that it's only $12. I'm gonna take this little thing off. So this is like this beautiful like springtime type of colors. Let me show you all side by side because y'all just need to see this because it is just such a beautiful, both of them. It's hard because they're both such beautiful palettes. Look how pretty those are. So you've got a lot of like spring and summer colors over here, and in all honesty, even though some of these look kind of like fall and winter vibes, you could totally make a beautiful neutral type of look with this palette over here. So I think whether you chose this palette or the other palette, you're going to be really, really happy overall with this formula. Even though I have not tried this particular palette out, I have tested out their formula and I absolutely love it. I really, really love their glitter formula as well as their shimmer formula. So I think you're going to be happy either way. I did notice that this box is still available. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick and choose which palette, but I will tell you all, you will be happy with either one of them. Okay, so the next item in here is by Stena Face. This is the Dream Stick. Now, I'll be honest with y'all, I thought that this was something that was good for like your cheeks and everything. It actually says it is a lipstick, but hold on, let me show you all. So this is what it looks like up close. It literally is in like a lipstick type of component, which would make sense. But when you look at the color, doesn't that remind you of blush? And I feel like I could also apply that to the eyes and get a really pretty look. I mean, granted, I already have lipstick on, but you know. Okay, so I did kind of put it over top of what I already had on, and it does appear to be very, you know, comfortable as far as that goes. It's kind of very washed out on my lips right now, so I feel like this would be a really pretty blush. Like if we kind of like smudged it out and went up the, you know, cheekbone with it, I think that would be really, really pretty. So I don't know, this does have a retail value of $15 and it is in the shade 03 Star. The next item in here is by Glam Queen. Ooh, this is a mascara. I'm not going to open it up only because I have way too many mascaras open right now. If I could pull out my drawer, I would and show you, but I have too much stuff on my desk right now. So this is by Glam Queen. This is a new brand to me. It does have a retail value of $17. The next item in here is by May Couture, and this is blush paper. What? This is interesting. It does have a retail value of $18. I have never tried a blush paper before, but I am very much intrigued by this. Let's see if we can open it. Oh my gosh, it's a book of blush. Okay, we're gonna try this right now. This is cool. There's no way. So you literally rip it out. I have so much highlight on today. But you're probably not supposed to pie it. You're probably supposed to rub. I think this would be good for like on the go. You know what I mean? Like if you need to freshen up in the airport or something. That's actually coming off. Hold on, let's. It's really lightly coming off. That's actually a pretty color. I like that. Wow. Okay, hold on. We should probably get the other side. Ignore the fact that I have sunless tan and I'm pretty bronzy right now, so probably not the way you're supposed to apply it, but I'm okay with that. Y'all, that's fun. Okay. I like it. I am a sucker for that. That's pretty cool. Hold on. Let's see. I'm gonna be just blushed up. I've never tried something like this. This is fun, and I like the color because it's like a sun-kissed type of color. So, I like this. That's so cool. The next item is by Dulce, and this is the Freematic Bronzer. We have seen this brand in the past in this box, and I absolutely love it. It was like a highlighting trio. And I fell in love. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. So it's a little bit cracked, but the shade is really pretty. That's really pretty. And I can tell you all, I have tried their formula before in the past, and I absolutely love it. I'm totally I'm fine with the fact that that little corner is chipped. It does come with a brush if you are interested in that. Kind of reminds me of that NARS one where I don't even think they sell it anymore, but you could just like put it right there in the cheekbones. I'm gonna keep that. I am kind of covered in it, but that's a perfect shade for me. I love it, and it does have a retail value of $40. And like I told you all, we have seen this in the past, and I absolutely love their formula. It is just perfect. Let me clean myself off. Okay, so the next item the last item we are seeing in here is by Beauty Creations. This is a little too cute. Look how cute this is, y'all. Okay, this is a brush collection. It has all the sparkles. Look at this. Okay, so here's the thing. This may not be your jam as far as, oh, these feel really, really good, actually. But aesthetically, excuse me, do you see? Sold. Think about how cute these would be in like a clear little brush holder container. I mean, for real. But these brushes actually feel pretty nice. They definitely feel synthetic, but that doesn't bother me. I feel like when it comes to synthetic brushes, I like to like apply powder and everything that way. So I feel like it's gonna be perfect for that. We've got some eye brushes, we've got a little highlighter brush and everything on there. So this is a really cute, more, I feel like, aesthetic type of brush collection. Y'all know, glitter, sparkle, kind of my thing. Okay, so that is everything in the May 2021 Ice Cream Beauty Box. Again, this box is going to cost you $24. It is a monthly subscription, and I honestly feel like we find some really good hidden gems in this box every single month. So keep in mind, you are going to have a difference between the Bee Bella palettes. Don't forget to follow me on my second channel at Hotmess Mama Vlogs for some plus size CoverGirl fashion hauls. My dress is from Glitzy Girls Boutique. I need to place an order for there. I haven't placed one in probably a good like 4 months, so I need to do that. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!